Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, I am going to discuss about the meaning and definition of entrepreneurs and characteristics of entrepreneurs. Firstly, we will discuss the meaning of entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is defined as someone who has the ability and desire to establish, administer, and succeed in a startup venture along with risk entitled to it to make profits. The best example of entrepreneurship is the starting of new business venture. The entrepreneurs are often known as a source of new ideas or innovators and bring new ideas in the market by replacing old with a new innovation. Entrepreneur is a French word which means to undertake, to pursue opportunities, to fulfill needs and wants of the people through innovation and starting business. An entrepreneur undertakes a venture, organizes it, raises capital to finance it, and assumes the whole or major part of the risk of business. In other words, entrepreneurship is the process of giving birth to a new business. Then, characteristics of entrepreneurs. First one is ability to take a risk. Starting any new venture involves a considerable amount of failure risk. Therefore, an entrepreneur needs to be courageous and able to evaluate and take risk, which is an essential part of being an entrepreneur. In other words, we can say that risk is an inseparable element of the entrepreneurs. Then second characteristics is innovation. It should be highly innovative to generate new ideas, start a company and earn profits out of it. Change can be the launching of new product that is new to the market or a process that does the same thing but in a more efficient and economical way. Then visionary and leadership quality. To be successful, the entrepreneur should have a clear vision of his new venture. However, to turn the idea into reality, a lot of resources and employees are required. Here, leadership quality is paramount because leaders impart and guide their employees towards the right path of success. Then next characteristics is entrepreneur should be open-minded. In a business, every circumstance can be an opportunity and used for the benefit of a company. For example, Paytm recognized the gravity of demonetization and acknowledged the need for online transaction would be more, so it is utilized the situation and expanded massively during this time. The next characteristics is flexible. An entrepreneur should be flexible and open to change according to the situation. To be on the top, a business person should be equipped or to embrace change in a product and service as and when needed. The next characteristics is know your product. A company owner should know the product offerings and also be aware of the latest trend in the market. It is essential to know if the available product or service meets the demands of the current market or whether it is time to tweak it a little. Being able to accountable and then alter as needed is a vital part of the